At this stage, when the advance voters are casting their votes, it shows that little time is left before the upcoming general elections. The returning officer at Mutimposo constituency number 30, Mr. Shalmajar, told LTV that the center was opened at 7 o'clock in the morning without any hindrance, and he is satisfied by the turnout of advance voters at this center.
Lebeletse batho ba tlo kgetha tsatsing lena e be palo ya 159 fela ha jwale se rena le batho ba 32 ba seng ba kgethile. Ke utlwa ke kgotsofetse ho fihletse mothatung ona hobane ka 5 o seng ha re fihla mona ne sentse ba le teng, mme ke hlokometse hore ke batho ba tjantjelong ya ho tlo tla ba kgetha.
The exercise took place nationwide in order to afford servants who will be working on elections day a chance to cast their votes as stipulated by the law. Today, some political parties staged their final rallies, while others will be holding theirs tomorrow. Only 6 days are left before the 2017 National Assembly elections. Selina Letikita, LTV News, Maseru.